Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about how to make money with affiliate marketing in 2024. Affiliate marketing is one of the oldest marketing practices where publishers promote a business using an affiliate link and gain commission from the sales, leads, clicks, or downloads it generates for the business. Most affiliate programs are free, and when businesses sign up for the program, a unique tracking link is created that is used whenever the business is promoted on a social media platform or a website. Different affiliate programs use other payment terms. What is affiliate marketing? Let's begin with the broad definition of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the oldest marketing practices which gains affiliates a commission in the case of sale based on the affiliate's recommendation. It is one of the cheapest and easiest ways of marketing as you don't need to create and sell a product. Just one thing you need to do is to enable a linked connection between buyer and seller and take your commission when the sale is made. Ways to make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a win-win cooperation between a product owner and an affiliate marketer. The former gets leads, and the latter gets paid for bringing in these leads. You can earn some money with affiliate marketing if you only spread the word among your Facebook friends, but it won't guarantee a stable and high income even if you have plenty of followers. The reason is that it's difficult to achieve the product audience match within your FB social network. On the other hand, if your approach includes proper ways to expand your audience and promote the right products to them, you can make a cottage industry out of affiliate marketing. With this in mind, we tend to define two methods for success: idle and efficient. Affiliate marketing, we mean that you do not make any additional efforts to expand your audience for promoting products. If you are a financial consultant, accountant, or practicing advisor, you already have a pool of contacts or clients. You just need to find an affiliate program for a product from your niche and promote it. The idle strategy is short-term since it may result in an instant inflow of cash, but it won't make any further progress. However, this is the easiest way to make money with affiliate marketing. Efficient affiliate marketing. Efficient affiliate marketing means that you constantly develop and expand your audience by publishing useful content on your blog, video channel, or other platforms. So basically, you generate traffic that, in turn, brings new people to whom you can promote products and services. This is a long-term monetization strategy and a way to increase your passive income. Or you may even opt for affiliate marketing as your main source of income. We're going to talk more about this strategy below. How to make money with affiliate marketing from scratch? Let's assume that you want to start making money with affiliate marketing right out of the gate. You have neither a blog, nor a YouTube channel, nor a community to spread the word to. The following step-by-step guide will explain how to achieve your goal. Choose a niche. A niche in affiliate marketing is a segment of the market with a narrow group of affiliate products that you can promote through customers. These customers share specific needs and requirements associated with this market segment. For example, the SEO niche covers tools and solutions around search engine optimization tasks, including hosting services, CMS, webmaster tools, etc. You need to choose the niche where you feel you would best perform. If there is a subject you don't like, such as fashion and beauty, then it's better to skip it. Other criteria to consider are high demand and low to medium competition. You'll have to do solid research to choose the best niche for affiliate marketing that you would like to join and develop your audience. Choose a platform for your content. Once you know the audience of your niche, you need to provide relevant and useful content for them. You can launch a blog to publish articles, start a YouTube channel to record videos, make posts with valuable information via social media platforms, and so on. Choose the most appropriate platform for your content that will also be in line with your target audience. The type of content also matters. Specific topics look better in the text, while others will better convey their message in video format. For example, explaining how to create a real-time sync between your bank and credit card accounts with Excel is better done as a video tutorial rather than a blog post. Traffic increases. Time to search for affiliate programs. When the publications on your blog, channel, or profile start generating traffic, you can dip a toe in the water of affiliate marketing. Check out whether the products you use provide affiliate marketing programs. Visit affiliate marketplaces. Here you can find hundreds of merchants, but wait on signing up for them right away. First, learn how they work and decide whether this is what you need. As a rule, affiliate marketing programs are based on a one-tier model. You get paid once a sale is made via your affiliate link. However, you may also encounter two-tier programs or multi-level marketing. In this case, you need first to refer other affiliates, and once they start making sales, you will get paid. Join one or several affiliate marketing programs. It's difficult to imagine that the entire content on your blog or channel will be about the same product. Therefore, it makes sense to differentiate your promotion efforts by spreading the word about different tools and solutions. With this in mind, it's better to sign up for multiple affiliate programs. Spread the word about the products. What do we already have before this step? You have published some traffic-generating content and signed up for a few top SaaS affiliate programs. This means you are ready to promote some products in your publications. Traffic before sales focus on generating traffic rather than making money. Your blog or channel should already have several traffic-generating publications before you can start promoting products with affiliate links. If you start pushing sales from the outset, there is a risk that your content will turn away readers or viewers due to its commercialization. Develop social media networks in your content. You promote affiliate products, but your content also requires promotion, and social media like Facebook or Twitter are the best place for this. You can create or be involved in Facebook groups, recommend your content on Quora, and use other benefits of social media promotion. Follow Google's guidelines for affiliate marketing. Google provides webmaster guidelines for sites that participate in affiliate programs. The main idea is that content that features mostly information about affiliate products does not provide enough valuable information to the reader. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.